Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Hey party people.
Guys, you know we're back with the Mytresses Black Label update. It's a 2 weeks update since we installed the hair, and we promised you guys an update, so we're back with it. So guys, you remember when we first installed the hair, we mentioned that it comes with a 3x6 closure. It's a lace closure. It comes with a 4x4 closure, and it also comes with a 13x4 closure. So this installment we used the 4x4 closure, and we know you guys have questions about this hair. You want to know how well it holds up and everything like that, so we're gonna just start with the questions. I have some questions here for you, questions that everybody wanted to know. So the first question I have is, how well does the hair take heat, or how well does it hold a curl?
I curled it for an event. The curls last for like 4 hours. They fell, but when the curls fell, it gave like a beautiful wave pattern, and it actually looked better than the curls. I didn't add any like holding sprays to the curls or anything like that. I just curled it, pinned it for like the drive to the event, which was like 20 minutes, and then when I got there, the curls last for about 4 hours. Then they fell, and I had that beautiful wave.
Sounds good. The next question I have is, did you dye the hair?
I didn't dye the hair. I like it jet black and straight like this, so I didn't dye it. It can be dyed, but it says to try to use the brown color, the brown color, and this is black, so I just didn't dye it. But it can be dyed. It's suggested to use a brown color. It'll pick up color way better.
Alright. Okay, so we're going to the next question, which is, how do you like the closure?
I love this closure. This closure, it's like I never had a wig before, and this closure is like 50% of the reason to buy the hair, because it's like pre-plugged. I was like parting it, middle part. I like a side part better, so I like it just like this. But the closure is everything.
Okay.
Like they need to start like making every wig like this.
Imagine how you would feel with the 13x4.
Oh, the 13. It's a frontal. I probably would have put a ponytail at the top.
Yeah.
Like, and then like the sides down with the ponytail right there, man, a little lollipop.
Yeah, so, okay, the next question, moving on. Since we're on the closure, we're gonna, what do you think about the elastic band? Because guys, remember when we installed it, we showed you the elastic band that it comes with, the closure. So let's just find out how she feels about the elastic band.
The elastic band was really useful. It's useful when you're installing the weave, because I had a glueless method, so I used left part of my baby hairs out, and then we put the closure on, and it was like hands-free help. You put the elastic band on the back, it held it down, and I think that's why I got my closure looking so flat and cute. I think you should keep the elastic band if you're making a weave. Like if you have your wig head and you're making a whole wig, not a weave. If you're making a wig, the elastic band is going to do you wonders. And it's always better to leave it on and then cut it off. This way you don't have to sew it back on.
Yeah, so it was easy for me as well installing the hair with the elastic band. It was so simple, because normally I would have to try to hold the closure in place, but this time I just, put it on, align it properly, and I was able to just stitch it down. So yeah, I could vouch for the elastic band as well, although I didn't wear the hair, but I installed it. So the elastic band is very helpful, and I would definitely suggest you leaving the elastic band on if you're gonna make a wig, because it helps a lot.
It helps kind of lay that closure flat.
Yeah. And what about shedding?
What shedding? Shedding is, there was no shedding. There was no shed, like minimal shedding. And from 1 to 10, and 10 being the worst shedding and 1 being like none, I would give it a 3. Like it was appropriate shedding. It shed like less than my normal hair shed, and I have some really good hair. But it's like, the shedding is minimal. Next.
Okay, so you got it from her. She wore it for 2 weeks, so she's able to tell you how it shed.
Mind you guys, this is my first weave. Like, I'm not a weave person, I'm a wig person. People who know me know I'm a wiggy. So for my first weave, I would definitely like buy this hair again, because I love it, because there was no shedding. Like, no times in the shower did I have to go and pull one out from the great beyond.
Alright, so basically that was all the questions. So now, overall, like, what would you rate this hair overall? What do you think about the hair?
I would give the hair 10.
Sorry, and would you recommend it to?
I have already recommended it to everybody I know. Everybody I know like touches it and they're like, oh my goodness, what type of wig is this? And I'm like, it's not a wig, it's a weave. And I tell them this is Outre Mytresses, black label hair, and it comes. I tell them all the details because I'm excited that this hair is so good. I'm impressed that this hair is so great, and I just like you ever buy something and you know it's so good so you want to tell people about it? Like you're never gonna believe the deal I got on this. Yeah. That's how I felt about Mytresses. Mytresses was lovely. Like I love the quality of it. I love the straightness. I love the closure. I love the hair. I just love the hair. I might actually buy another pack and make a wig.
Sounds good.
Oh, you remember that?
Yeah. And a bonus question.
Okay.
That's just my question, right? So my question to you, how long again do you think you could wear this hair for? Do you think like you could wear it for another 2 weeks? Do you think you could wear it for another month? Do you think
I would leave this hair in for another month.
Really?
It's not ready to come out. Like my closure is still in place. Like I don't even have the wiggle underneath. You know, like when your new growth starts coming in and you have a sewn in weave, so the hair it's still like. So I would leave this in for another 2 weeks. I would take it out after a month just to wash my hair and give my hair the proper nutrients. I would give my hair the proper nutrients. And then I would actually probably make a wig out of it or put the weave right back in if I didn't feel like managing my own hair. This hair is great. It's long lasting. It's durable. This is like one of the best hair I've ever had. This is the best hair I've ever had. I've never had a weave before.
Okay.
But I've seen weaves, obviously. Like, you know, we all know weaves. And this is great hair. Top 10.
Okay, so you would say that would last like at least 2 months. If you leave it in 3?
Well, no. If I leave it in like this.
If you leave it in all the way through.
I would give it 2 months. 2 months before I be ending up like.
Okay, guys. So you heard it from her. She's been wearing it for 2 weeks, like we said, and she's probably gonna leave it in for another 2 weeks. But this is our final update. We just decided to give you guys an update on the hair, just in case you want to purchase it. You have all the details about the hair and stuff like that. So I would link the. You wanted to say something?
Yes. You know one thing also, like. Yeah. You know, I heard when you get a sewn weave that your scalp itches. There's no itchy scalp. I don't know if that goes from person to person, but for me, my scalp doesn't itch. It's like normal itches when I get like on the back, on the side, and I just scratch it. But yeah, I just want to put that in there.
Okay. Well, I mean, I normally get my scalp normally itches, but that's my personal problem.
Okay.
I think when I get it sewn. But yeah, that's a good thing to know.
No, I no headache, no nothing. This hair's really, I just love this hair.
Good.
I found myself taking tons of selfies because I'm just like, this hair plus the space. I'm kidding.
It's going in there. Yes. So guys, I would leave a link to the original video, to the installation, in the description box. I would also leave a link to the hair on the website. I would leave that in the description box as well, just in case you want to go purchase it. It's very reasonable. It comes all in one pack, so I'll leave pictures up as well on the screen so you guys can see. But yeah, I'll leave all the information, all the details in the description box. So if you're interested in this hair, check the description box. Everything will be there. Comment down below what you think about these types of videos. If you want to see us do more of these, more installations, like probably a crochet next time or something like that. But just let us know what you guys think. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, follow us on all our social media. Follow us on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook. Everything is at WigTypes, and we'll definitely see you guys soon. Bye bye.